wise king once had his men place a boulder in the middle of a road. The king then took his sons to the top of a watchtower, where they waited to see if anyone would move the obstruction. The first to travel the road were the king's wealthy courtiers. On finding the boulder, the courtiers openly cursed the king for not maintaining his roads and marched back in outrage. Soon after, a school of wandering monks approached the stone. Faithfully, the monks praised the Lord for his divine intervention and wandered off in high spirits. And then arrived a righteous knight of the realm, who took one look at the giant rock and, bound by duty, raced back to report the obstruction to the king. As day turned to dusk, the king saw many men travel his road, but none tried to move the boulder, until came a humble peasant. Tired from his long day's work, the peasant laid down his heavy cart and, with the last of his strength, shifted the stone from the road. Underneath it lay a purse filled with royal gold. The king then turned to his sons and said, "The obstacles in our path do not block the path. They are the path. It is in overcoming our obstacles that we find our way to glory."